So in this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted projects on Capcut. So the first step is to launch Capcut, and then from here, you want to tap on Library. Under Library, you want to scroll down until you get to the section labeled More. Look for Trash and tap on it. From here, you can see all the deleted projects that you currently have, and you have the option for looking at the local projects and looking at projects that are under your space, so your Capcut space where you store projects on the cloud. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer to restore projects from. So for me, I'll be restoring from local. So once I've found my projects that I want to restore, it's fairly simple. You just tap on the three dots next to that project, like that, and then select Restore, and then you'll see it disappearing from the list, which means you've successfully restored it. If you want to restore multiple projects, just tap on this select icon at the top of your screen, and then you can choose all the projects you wish to restore, and then tap on Restore, and all of them will be removed from the trash bin. So now, when you go to your project section, you can see all the deleted projects have been returned. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.